If you've been seeing Bright White all over social media, you're probably wondering one thing. Is it actually worth buying? Or is it just another overhyped product? Let's find out. Bright White is a teeth whitening powder that claims to remove surface stains, freshen your breath, and brighten your smile in as little as a week. The company also says it's peroxide-free and designed to be gentle on your teeth. Using it is simple. Wet your toothbrush, dip it into the powder, and brush for about 2 minutes. It's a quick routine that easily fits into your normal brushing habits. Now, does it really work? Based on customer feedback, many users noticed cleaner-looking teeth and reduced coffee or tea stains after regular use. Some people also liked that it didn't cause much sensitivity. However, results are different for everyone, and this type of whitening powder mainly targets surface stains rather than deep tooth discoloration. There are also a few things you should know before buying. Some of the brand's marketing claims, including dentist approved, are not independently verified with named professionals. There are also questions about the full ingredient disclosure and a few inconsistencies in the product information, so it's worth reading the return policy and product details carefully before placing an order. So, is Bright White legit or a scam? From what I've found, it appears to be a real product sold by a real company, but that doesn't automatically mean it's the perfect choice for everyone. If you're expecting dramatic whitening like a professional dental treatment, you'll probably be disappointed. If your goal is to reduce everyday surface stains, it may be worth considering.